Hello? Hey, Alan, what's up? Yeah. Yeah, I can make you a like sign. What do you mean it's precious? Your dad's teak? I don't want to mess it up. All right, well, come over. We won't, I don't know. I'm nervous. No, I don't know if we can use the laser. Let's use the CNC. All right, come over. We'll figure it out, man. I'm not going to mess up your dad's teak. All right, see ya. I'm Ryan. I've been hacking things my whole life. Today, we're going to make a lake sign. Thanks for being here. Shit, he's here. What's up, Alan?
All right, Ryan.
What do you think I could laser cut that?
I don't know. I mean, we set out initially talking about CNC.
All right, all right.
It like a
So we're going to CNC it. So before we do that, why don't we try it on some scrap wood? Do you have any scrap wood?
Yeah, we can do it MDF work.
All right, we'll do MDF. All right, let's go ahead and set the scrap wood up. Right, we're using a Shapeoko XL and test with it the MDF and make sure we get everything right. And then what size bit do you think we should use?
Thinking about like a round, so it's got a little bull nose on the bottom of the letters.
Okay.
And probably, we think 1/8 inch.
No, I think it's going to take forever. It'll be like if we did an 1/8 inch bit, it's going to be we have to. Well, it's got to go slower. It'll break the bit. So I think we should use a 1/4 inch ball bit. And you said you brought those along with you.
I do have a.
Okay. All right. Cool. I'm glad you brought those because I don't. hackLAB doesn't have that much money. So. All right, looks like it is working. Now that the MDF is working, we can go ahead and position your oval. Now, your dad cut this oval out prior. You know, that's something that a CNC could do, but how was he thinking about making it?
Well, I mean, not doing CNC, and he's, router and an old school craftsman. I think, he did an oval template.
An oval template. Router. He did a damn good job. I mean, look at this oval.
So.
I mean, but we can't mess this up, right?
Nope.
No, we can't mess this up.
I've been holding on to this thing for 2 years.
And where are you gonna put it after we're done?
So I've either got to make a post for the entrance into the lake house, or find a spot to hang it, maybe even from the new boathouse.
Whoa, I like the new boathouse with the sunshine coming in. All right, are you going to treat it with anything?
Yeah, I'll have to look and see what's best, but, some sort of typical oil type product.
Right, maybe something more than mineral oil, though? Something.
Yeah, I mean, being teak, there's a lot of things on the market for...
And you have scrap wood, you can test the teak wood on the finishes and stuff?
Yeah, the frame that he had, this double stick set up.
All right, okay, cool.
I'll use the scrap from...
All right, so once we got the teak going, we set the bit. We went from 12 hours cutting at a terrible feed rate we got to increase it all the way to 75. And as soon as we got going, the thing just absolutely flew through like butter after we did all our tests. And honestly, I think we were both relieved because we obviously don't want to mess up Tony's teak. So it was just going and rocking and rolling. So we were kind of on easy treat. But I think part of what made this project a success and got everything correct was that MDF test, right?
Yeah.
The MDF test.
It was really a sanity check, I think, more than anything.
Yeah.
To know that all the other preparation fell into place and to see it really gave us assurance.
Yeah, so it seems like a lot of effort. Now it seems like we could probably run a lot more of these lake house signs. So you got any orders? My gosh, so what do you think?
All right. Dad, I think we've done right.
What?
You.
Tony, what?
Your teak is routed. Alignment looks good. Letters and all that came out really well. I think we...
Maybe we could sand it a little. I mean, we got a pencil mark there.
Yeah, we definitely...
I don't know if you want that.
Then we got a little cleanup to do. I still got to come up with the mechanism to how I'm going to hang it. again, whether it's going to be at the entrance
Like
of the
here,
house versus maybe on the new boathouse.
could even make a bracket on the side or something, like clamp it.
Here we are.
All right.
Time waiting, but we did it.
Yeah, so the total cut time was about with a 1/4-inch bit. CNC is a machine that uses a trim router and it cuts out shapes. This was a shape. His dad nicely cut out this oval with the jig, which is amazing. He did not use the CNC to cut out the oval. And where did he get this wood from?
It was, I think, in the bin of woodworkers' warehouse, maybe.
All right, but we still couldn't mess it up, even though it came. Yeah.
Well, they were all odd shapes and all that, so he bought the lot of scraps and then
biscuited
cleaned them all up and then joined them all together to make.
Do you know if he used dowels or biscuits? You don't know.
It
doesn't matter.
I know. I've had a guess. He probably used biscuits.
Right.
I know he's done some of that in the past.
So here we go. I'm pretty happy with this because obviously we had one piece of teak and we didn't want to upset Tony. So Tony, I hope you're happy with this. But that's it. Whatever you do, thanks for being here, Alan. Whatever you do, make something that connects someone. Thanks a lot, guys. Love you.